call me a money pocket. Engine get your rocket. It sound like a thunder rocket. Yeah.
Yo, what's happening, guys? Welcome to the part 2 of Sweden little travel ride out event with Madcap. Today's the main event. We literally just woke up. We're already 10 minutes late to meet up with Lucas at his spot. So the boys are just getting ready. We're jumping on the bike and then we'll catch you on the bike on the GoPro. See you in a sec.
Yo, we're the pack. You already know. Hey, this is crazy. Everyone's fucking here. Jeez. Alright guys, welcome to the main ride. We're about to pull away. Just making sure everyone's getting ready. There's about fucking 500 plus bikes. It's insane. I've never seen so many bikes in one place going on a ride out. This might get a little bit sketchy, so we're going to try to stick to a blade and 2-stroke and any of the UK guys, because there's actually a lot of us here, bro. All I'm seeing is UK plates. You can't see them right now, but on the way here all I was seeing was UK plates. Alright, we're going to pick this up when we're on the road, because I don't want to waste battery and memory. Alright, see you in a sec. My bike's on fire, man, and my legs, they are obviously not used to filtering. look at pulling up to the airstrip where the event is. So I'm gonna switch it to the Hero 7 because my Hero 10 is fucking about to die. So, woo. Yeah, I'm gonna switch it to the Hero 7 because my Hero 10's about to die and I'm bringing it with me. It's in my City Burners chest rig. Shout out City Burners for hooking it up with a chest rig. It's insane. Ooh, this isn't a road for a bloody MT. Fucking hell. Ooh. Wait. Hey. If you ain't watched the first part, you already know. GROMSKI on the YouTube channel. Go on the channel. It's going to be my latest video before part 2. Hey, it's fucking lit. Hey, shout out if you're watching the live. They're gonna be on a fucking YouTube video. You already know.
Over there. Get it.
Alright, we made it to the strip. We got, oh, fucking hell, this is a long ass wheelie strip. Look at all the bikes. All of these bikes will move us on the ride out. Fucking hell. That beamer scared me. It pulled up next to me and fuck. Oh shit. Here comes the fucking pull out. Fucking hell. I'm not gonna lie. That looks horrible. Nice. Fuck it up. Combos, go on.
Alright guys, I hope you enjoyed this two-part video. If you haven't watched the first part, it's going to be in the end cards, go check that out.
It's been a fucking mad thingy, crazy! Blood clot! It is a madness.
It's been fucking sick. We're coming back next year, but for longer. So be expecting another video when it comes to Sweden on a yearly basis. Shout out to Lucas, shout out to Madcap, and everybody that we've met out here.
Family they are. Family they are.
All treating us like family. Dustans, come on, you already know. Till next time, like, subscribe, drop a comment, and all of that. See you next one. We're gonna end it like we always do. Peace.
Shout out.
It's my YouTube video. Back off. Alright, right, stay safe, right safe. In a bit.
Swipe, 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 swipe. Swipe, 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 swipe. Just picked up some bands, come again. They do what I do.